So pretty much you define a 10 element array, which is in this case a lookup table, into Flash. This will have all your numbers from 1 to 9, which can be accessed and put on the display. You then assign a 2-digit value and say, like, for example, 99 here, which will be displayed. You reserve 2 bytes in SRAM for the ones and tens digits that will be displayed. You then, this part of section here essentially determines what was assigned, what value was put into the code. So since this division is not possible, you have to subtract by 10 and check to see if it's 0. This will subtracting by 10 and checking to see if it's 0 gives you the amount of times that it had to be subtracted by 10, which is essentially division. That gives you the tens digit, and to get the ones digit, you have to add 10 to R16, because theoretically it should be negative after you've done all your 10 subtractions, and by adding 10, it'll become positive again and give you your ones digit. Okay, this part of the code actually selects the lookup table area that you're using, or the part of the lookup table that you're using. So to do that, you have Z go to the starting address of the lookup table. You then essentially add the units digit to ZL, because that has to do with the address, and you add it so that Z will move to the specified location that's wanted, and then that will end up being the specific value that you wanted to show. So you then turn on and off the transistors depending on which display you want to display on. You call your shiftout function, and after that you do the exact same thing, only you do it with the opposite. So if you did it ones, then you would switch to tens.